welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Goa at the Naval Museum. I'm going to show you everything. Look at this. Look at this. These are ships. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, this room. Look at this. This is a real bomb. Oh my god. 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 Here's one. Explosive RDX-TNT. What is the prank? Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. So guys, welcome to this. These are all real planes that used to be in the 1980s. Look, this is a plane that is called Owls, and this is a helicopter, and these are all engines, missiles, as you can see in the back. Look at these, that, those, and all. Okay, I'm going to show you something crazy. Look at this. This is a real one. This is a whole and fighter jet. This is real, and this is a bomb. Look. It's not done. So this is one of my my most favorite one. This is so cool. Sorry, there is a plane, a helicopter, another one helicopter. And look at this thing. This is my second favorite. My third favorite. This is really cool, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and the journey that I've been. I haven't posted in 2 or 3 months because I was in vacation. Now I'm in Goa, in I don't know where, a Navy Museum. Look at this giant plane. There's a fighter jet thingy over there, and there's another Navy helicopter right over there. I know, right? This is so cool. Okay, I will show you some more things that you probably never seen in your life. So you might just try check on all of these and hope you can see all of them. Okay, 1 second, guys. So we are at this, the first helicopter that was ever made in the whole world. So this got something. Look, guys. So this is a helicopter. I mean, look at this. So cool. Okay, the next one. Oh no, somebody is already taken a picture. No, ma'am. Please, I have to take a photo. Oh no. No. Okay. So this is a plane. This is called the Islander. Islander is a British Norman, UK. Length is about 42.0 feet. It's a lot. I know you're expecting it to be more. Look at this gigantic plane. This is used for cargo things and Navy soldiers. The next thing I'm going to show you is that I don't know what that thing is, but if you have any idea, please tell me in the comments. Look at this. Can't see. helicopter. This is real, by the way, guys. Now take it out. Okay. Do you guys want to see and myself? Let me show you. This is an engine of a propeller. Engine of a propeller, guys. Look. A missile. Anti-ship missile. This one. Dang, boy. There's also another helicopter right over there. As you can see. And this is a missile. This, my guys, the fighter jet is called Sea Harrier. I know this is my favorite one, and this is my most favorite one. It's a chopper, basically. Its maximum weight is like up to 10,000 pounds or kgs, I don't know, kilograms. So this is the engine room. Oh my god, still working. Guys, look at this. So cool. I know, right? So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and click the bell, and turn on the notification bell and subscribe already. Bye guys.